Guys, recently I've actually had the privilege of owning a Mercedes-Benz G550. I'm so excited. So guys, this is a very classic and luxurious G50, and it actually brought me some driving pleasure. However, my love for cars did not stop. So I've actually decided to make my baby G550 undergo a comprehensive upgrade. So this upgrade, the goal is actually to attain a G63 AMG. Welcome to Team Visionaries, guys. It's a girl Salome here. So guys, after a long consideration, I've done some researches and I've actually come to a conclusion of just adding 20 grand, and I'm gonna make this G550 look like a G63 AMG. And I'm very sure after all the upgrades are done, this car is gonna look very nice in the G63 aura, and it's gonna be an eye-catching, high-performance, luxurious SUV. car does not bear any resemblance of the G550, we made use of the G63 body kit. This body kit included the front bumper, it included the headlight frames, the grille, the wheel arcs, and the trims, as well as the logo. These modifications now they make this car look more aggressive, especially if you take a look at this grille. The former grille, if you guys still remember, it's a 3-bar grille, but now it has actually been upgraded to the waterfall style, or we can just call it a vertical grille, to make this car look so good and very imposing. That's what we are looking for. The design of these decorative headlight frames actually emphasizes on the vehicle's front end, giving it a more domineering and aggressive appearance and bringing it closer to the rugged appearance of the G63. These head frames, they are typically designed to just be directly installed to the original headlight frames, meaning to say you don't have to do any modifications or cut anything to the original structure of the vehicle. You just have to stick it on. And these head frames also, they use what we call durable materials, which can withstand the scratches and wear of day-to-day use. The Dark Knight edition typically featured the smoked black treatment, aligning with the high-performance AMG models. This kind of headlight systems, they can automatically control multiple color LED lights, especially during the night or you're driving in a low visibility. They can actually control themselves. What do I mean? Let's say you are driving a car and then there is another car coming. These lights, they can actually control themselves and go to a low beam automatically. You don't really have to control from inside. These lights, they do it by themselves. These Michelin tires, they are well renowned because of their exceptional performance and durability. They offer stability in both dry and wet road conditions. The front tires, they utilizes the 6-piston brake calipers, while the rear tires utilizes the single-piston brake calipers. This ensures the stable braking, especially when you are driving so very fast. This actually makes sure that it ensures that your car, it decelerates safely and quickly. High-performance brake discs, they can withstand high loads and reduce fed heat, ensuring safe braking force. Even like when you are we just frequently press the brakes, it can actually ensure your safety. These 22-inch AMG exclusive wheels, not only are they good looking, because definitely you can see they are very nice, not only are they good looking, but they are also lighter and steadier. The AMG side stripes, they add a sleek and dynamic look to the vehicle's profile, enhancing the overall appearance with a sense of coordination and sportness. So this, guys, it can actually be applied to the original, like on top of the original waistline, which makes it easier also and very simple, and which means you don't have to cut anything or do any extra modifications to the original vehicle body. Keyless entry, guys, things have actually been made much easier. You can actually open the door of your car and start your car without you removing the car key from your pocket. So what you gotta do is, you can see the car is locked. You have to put your hand inside here, press and open, and the key is still in my pocket. And we also have this electric suction door, whereby I just close my door. It really isn't really closed, but then the electric suction door can actually make your door be closed very tight without you using much power and much energy. As we all know, these G-Wagon doors, they actually need you to really push the door so that it can close, but we have actually made things much easier for you. And as you can see, I just closed the door, right? But the car isn't locked, and the car key, here it still is in my pocket. So what I'm gonna do to lock the door, I just have to put my hand here and the car gets locked. So guys, isn't this really amazing? Ta-da! entry valve control button adjusts the opening degree of the exhaust valve as needed, thereby controlling the magnitude of the exhaust tone. What I mean by that is, when a quiet drive is needed, you can actually close the valve, and then like that you can drive your car quietly. But if you need a thrilling driving, you can actually open the valve, and it's gonna produce a louder and deeper exhaust tone. This design of this tailpipe exhaust is actually highly recognized by a lot of people. But after modifications, this exhaust was at the back. If you guys still remember, it has actually been moved to the side view. So we're gonna do a visualizing comparison. It shows that the original exhausts or the original pipes that were on this car are actually shorter than the new ones that have actually been installed in this, and it cannot now come outwards. As you can see, you can't really clearly see it, but this Scorpion exhaust is actually really known for its high performance. The bull bar, also known as the off-road bull front guard. This is specifically designed for off-road vehicles because it enhances the off-road vehicle's capabilities, and it also protects the vehicles when you're driving in the rocky and bumpy roads. That's the use of this front guard. One of the major advantages of the carbon fiber is it's light-weighted. Despite the fact that it's light-weighted, it doesn't mean it's easy to break. It's actually very, very strong, and it also has a glossy texture, as you can see, and it adds classiness in your car. Guys, take a look at this. Now we have this amazing IWC watch. So if you take a look at this watch, guys, all the G63s AMG, they do have this watch. This is not just a mere decoration, but it exudes luxurious, it exudes sportiness. This watch is actually internationally known for just producing luxurious watches all over the world. So guys, this is luxurious and it's a bit expensive. It's a must-have in your AMG. With a budget of $20,000, the upgrade of this car is just not any mere transforming, but it's about elevating the driving experience as a whole. We started with this car as a brand new Mercedes-Benz G550, and now it has been upgraded to the G63 AMG. So our team, guys, was very dedicated to selecting and installing each and every piece of this car so that it will be looking like this. From the interior up outside to the exterior, everything was meticulously and carefully done. So this car's modification is about to be completed. So guys, as you can see, it's not just any mere SUV. It's gonna be a car that wherever you drive it, it's gonna captivate everybody's attention. So what we can see is our goal has actually been reached. You can't really differentiate the G550 from the G63 just based on these looks alone. So guys, as we all say it, elevate your drive, define your style.